Today we are doing a review on this little mini camera, this little baby in this box in here. It cost me just under £20 to buy it, and it's a little spy camera. It has a 3000 milliamp battery which lasts up to 12 hours, believe it or not. It can use a micro SD, has cloud storage if you need it. It's a 1080p, motion detection, PRI, invisible infrared and push alert 2-ways audio. Yes, you can actually talk through it. So let's have a quick look. So you get the basic instructions, quick instructions for, I think that's Luowice Wi-Fi security camera. I'll read that later. It comes in a little box, move that out of the way. Yeah, this is quite a small camera. Well, not that small, but yeah, there you go. So plenty of air vents. This is not designed to be outside. Something to bear in mind if you're going to buy something like this. So it has a USB charger and micro SD and on-off switch. And loads of air vents, which is good. Keep it cool. So it actually comes with a plug as well, which is nice. A lot of these devices don't come with a plug, but that one does. Looks like some sort of mounting bracket. Yeah, I think that's a mounting bracket, don't you? Definitely. I'll have a little read up to see how easy or how difficult it is to do, but I wouldn't have thought it'd be that hard. So I reckon, at a guess, that probably goes like that. Connects in there somehow. Yeah? I'm just guessing, could be totally wrong here. Screws. So screws for mounting this bracket, and I suppose that just clamps on, I reckon. So I reckon what happens, like I said, I'm only guessing, I reckon that sits in there like that somehow. What do you reckon? Yeah, there it goes, a little cutouts there, look. So that should go in there somewhere. There you go. I'll work that out all by myself. And then that would slide on there. There you go. And then you can screw it to a wall. Any angle. Yeah. Oh, that was easy. So it comes with the screws. What else get in the box? USB lead and double-sided. So that looks like M3s or 3Ms to me, at a guess. How long is this cable? Doesn't look too long, but I'll probably guess in probably about a metre, I reckon. Yeah, at a guess, I'll say it's about a metre long. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge her up, have a look, read the instructions. Oh, that's good. And have a little play about with it. Right, she's all charged up, and that was quite easy to do. Installation of software, again, that was easy to do. Registration of software, that was more difficult because they send you a verification and you have 1 minute in which to put the verification in, and it was taking longer to get the verification to come through than a minute. So they need to update that, that'd be nice. So it took me several goes before I actually got in there because I ran out of time before I even got the email. So they should change it to at least 2 minutes or maybe 5 minutes would be sensible to do the verification. So with that, we'll get on with it. So basically you've got to turn it on and it will go through a little process. They say it takes about 40 seconds for it to go through its setting up. So we've got to leave it for about 40 seconds. You should have a little light on there. You've got two little lights, a green and a red. I'm not sure if you can see that. Right, so now it says it's ready. So basically you've got to connect to the Wi-Fi. You must have it on 2.4 gigahertz. Do not have 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz on at the same time. It will confuse it and it probably won't connect. If it comes up like that, make sure if it pops up with a message like this, tell it to stay connected. So we want to stay connected. So that's staying connected. And start software up. Oh, we're in. Completely finished. Oh, we're in. Oh, it does get warm. So, what's this? Please set a password to your device for better privacy. Okay. No looking. User admin. Password. It's all set up and it's all running smoothly. I've got it on full screen, but you can turn it and have it just half screen. It shows a picture. You can have up to 4 cameras by looking at that in different positions. Obviously I've only got the one. I've turned the speaker off because I don't want to hear myself, and I think it will pick up a bit of feedback. So I'm going to bring it over here for a second. So this is the baby here, this little thing here. And yeah, it does get a bit warm, as you can feel, and there's a couple of issues, or slight issues. One is there is some lag, as you can see. When I turn it, there's definitely some lag there. I mean, it's not a deal breaker, it's only like 20 odd pounds. So, you know, wasn't expecting it to be fantastic. Let's take my keyboard. My keyboard was clean. So, image quality wise, very good. Motion wise, not so good. I will give this a 4-star because of that. And the other thing I've noticed is some blacks don't look black, and I'll give you an example. So over here I have a nice black, and this is not so black, but that looks purple, but that is black. It's definitely a black. Same as that. That's black. But them two look black because they're darker black, but that looks purple. Same again with that. That's purple, but it isn't. It's black. It's actually black. But it comes up as a purple. I mean, look at it. So yeah, I don't know why it does that, but like I say, it's not a deal breaker. The idea is, you know, if you want to monitor something, you should be able to see everything you want to monitor, and it is doing the job. Quality of video, that is pretty good. Nice and clear imaging, but it does have a bit of lag to it when you're moving the camera about, but then it's not really designed to be moved about, so you know, you've got to take that into consideration. So hello. So yeah, like I said, there's a bit of lag, it does get warm, it will take a memory card, so you can put a nice memory card in there if you want to, or you can connect it to a cloud. I have my own cloud anyway, and I will be connecting it to my own cloud rather than one I have to pay for. I think, you know, why have I got a cloud? Why would I pay for it? So, not 100% where I'm going to put it yet. I haven't quite made my mind up, but it is basically going to go in this room somewhere. But I haven't quite decided where I'm going to be putting it. So it's going to be looking down on me, I think, somewhere, or just keeping an eye on this room. So with that, does it get my thumbs up? Yes and no. Like I said, I will give it a 4-star rating, 4 out of 5 that is, because like I said, it is a bit laggy, but the quality of the image is quite nice, as you can see. Nice and clear, but it doesn't pick up blacks properly. I mean, that's all black there, as you can see. They look all nice and black, but for some reason some blacks come out purpley. That's definitely black. So the camera is picking it up as the wrong colour. Don't ask me why, perhaps you'd I. I've decided to give this 3 out of 5 because it took a few goes for me to connect it, and it is laggy, without a doubt it's definitely laggy, and it's displaying some of the blacks as purple, and it shouldn't do really. I have read it might be something to do in the night vision, but I'm not sure. So 3 out of 5 for this because the picture quality is very good, but for them issues it's not very good. So with that, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.